Also, one more thing that I liked about this book is that in this book there are countless destitute circumstances, but the way that Dostoevsky explained it is quite different. He didn't say that like I am feeling very poor through characters. He tried to present his sentences in a positive light. All of these sentences, as they are exchanged in letters, as like one person shared his feeling and he didn't want to scare the other person who will be at the receiving end of the letter, so he tried to raise the style of writing, and he tried to undermine the circumstances by his superior writing. The circumstances were the same, but the style of writing that undermined the power of those circumstances. And there were like many situations where I saw the power of words, where I saw the power of sentences, language, and how and in what fashionable way that those Dostoevsky presented those situations through both of these characters, as like they are lovebirds, they like each other very much. So in these letters, as they are written from the perspectives of both of these characters, so he has presented a very positive light so that the other lover doesn't feel bad while reading the letters of others. So he has taken great care of this thing. When suppose if I am reading a letter of my lover, and if I read even a single chaotic situation or brutal circumstances, my heart would be crushed. So my lover would try to write something in a more positive light so that I won't feel bad or crushed or agonized upon writing those letters. In the same manner, he has written these powerful letters, and the impact of these letters is extremely overwhelming. And it's absolutely stunning the way they talk to each other, they share everything with each other, and they are sharing about their past whenever they feel so. They share about the weather and the description of those scenes, the lakes, trees, cops, and the air itself. It's just amazing. Sometimes I feel like I'm also flowing as the words are flowing. So it's really pleasant to read this book, and I'm very much impressed by the sentence structure. And one of the best thing about this book is that this, I think, I'm not sure, this was the first novel that Dostoevsky wrote. And after reading like people who were very famous at that time, when they read this novel, they immediately recognized the talent in Dostoevsky, and they immediately saw that in his writing he has some commanding talent, he has some powerful forces working within Dostoevsky. And when he came back from jail after that fake shooting episode, he wrote such powerful novels like Crime and Punishment, Brothers Karamazov, the most powerful work. I give equal value to Brother Karamazov and Crime and Punishment, and The Possessed or The Demons and Idiot. Those are some of the powerful work that he has written after facing huge, I would